Tired of pet hair taking over your floors? Today, I've got you covered with the best iRobots for pets on Amazon. The top models that can keep up with shedding, messes, and daily cleaning. From powerful suction to smart navigation, I'll break down what actually makes these robot vacuums worth your money. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's dive in and find the perfect cleaner for your furry-friendly home. Number 1. Overall best pick. Energize Lab Elic Robot Pet. The Energize Lab Elic Robot Pet is an adorable and surprisingly engaging little companion. Its animated eyes, responsive touch sensors, and cheerful sounds make it feel almost like a real pet. Great for both kids and adults who want low-maintenance company. The compact size fits perfectly on desks, shelves, or nightstands, and I love how it lights up and talks when you tap or play with it. The robot's rechargeable battery lasts a decent amount of time, though I wished it could go longer before needing a charge. My only real downside, its interactions feel a bit repetitive after extended play. Still, for someone wanting a fun, interactive gadget without the fuss of a real pet, it's a delightful choice. Number 2. My second best pick. Power Your Fun Robo-Pets. The Power Your Fun Robo-Pets Unicorn is a super fun and interactive robot toy. With its remote control hand gesture feature, I love that I could make it walk, dance, and even respond to commands just by waving. It also has a compartment for treats, small beads, which adds an extra layer of engagement. Very cool for STEM-style play. The unicorn's LED eyes and body lights make it super cute and mesmerizing for kids. My only downside, the battery life is kind of short, especially when using the motion sensor a lot, so you'll be recharging fairly often. But overall, for fun, innovation, and play value, it's a great pick. Number 3. My third best pick. RoboPets T-Rex Dinosaur Toy. The RoboPets T-Rex Dinosaur Toy is an awesome combination of tech and childhood fantasy. With its remote-controlled hand motion gestures, you can make the T-Rex walk, dance, and interact in super fun ways. The LED eyes give it a cool animated feel, and the built-in treat compartment for small beads adds a clever STEM twist. The sounds and movements are entertaining without being annoying, and the build quality feels surprisingly sturdy for a toy at this price. The only downside? The motion gesture feature drains the battery quickly if you're frequently using it. Still, for dinosaur-loving kids and gadget fans alike, it's a fantastic pick. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Fiska Remote Control Dog. The Fiska Remote Control Dog is a super entertaining robotic pup that feels like a playful modern toy. It listens to voice commands and can do handstand push-ups, dance, and perform little stunts, all with energetic, realistic sounds. The stunt routines are clever and fun, and the build quality feels quite sturdy even with rough play. The LED eyes give it personality, and the remote control makes it easy to direct. On the downside, the battery life is fairly short when doing frequent stunts, so you'll need to recharge often. But for kids who love active, interactive toys, this robot dog is a blast. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, E-Man Remote Control Robot Dog Toy. The E-Man Remote Control Robot Dog Toy is a fun and lively electronic pet that's perfect for kids 3 and up. Its programmable movements like dancing, spinning, and barking make it feel like a real companion. And the LED eyes add a playful, futuristic look. The remote control is user-friendly and responsive, so directing the dog is simple and fun. I also appreciate the durable plastic build, which stands up to energetic play sessions. Still, for imaginative play and tech-loving kids, it's a solid buy. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite iRobots for pets? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.